In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store by adding more product variants using the VO Product Options app. This tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring that you can provide your customers with an even wider range of choices without any hassle. First, let's start by heading over to the Shopify website. Open your web browser and type in Shopify's URL. Once you're on the home page, you're going to need to log into your account. If you're not already registered, you'll have to sign up to access Shopify's features. Just follow the prompts for logging in or registration, entering the necessary credentials to get started. Now that you're inside your Shopify dashboard, it's time to search for the Shopify App Store. You'll find the App Store link on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a new page. The Shopify App Store is a goldmine of tools designed to enhance and tailor your site's functionality to meet specific business needs. Next, we're going to utilize the search bar at the top of the page. Here, type in VO Product Options. This app is specifically designed to help you add more product variants, essential if you have a wide array of products or services and wish to offer your customers many options. Once the search results appear, locate the VO Product Options app and click on it. This leads you to its dedicated page, where you can learn about its features, reviews, and pricing. Once you're familiar with the app's capabilities and think it fits your store's needs, go ahead and hit the Install button. Installing this app is straightforward. Shopify will guide you through each step. In a few clicks and possibly entering some confirmation details, you'll have the app added to your store. With VO Product Options, you're now empowered to offer more than 3 variants per product. This is particularly useful for businesses needing to provide products with numerous sizes, colors, or customizations, allowing flexibility and a better shopping experience for your customers. Once you've successfully installed the app, the last thing you need to do is simply customize it according to your preferences. The app might require some configuration either through the Settings tab, or you might receive a small tutorial window guiding you on how to optimize it for your store. Don't worry about making mistakes here. You can always revisit settings and adjust them to fit your evolving needs. And there you go. With just a few simple steps, you've enhanced your Shopify store's capability, providing a broader spectrum of choices for your customers. Thanks to the VO Product Options app, you're all set to boost your sales potential and meet the diverse preferences of your customer base. Keep exploring other handy apps on the Shopify App Store to continually enhance your customers' experience and drive your business forward. Happy selling!